Hey guys, got a trouble call for a water well pump. Operator said it faulted the other day. They reset it and then it worked. That was as much as description they gave. And then yesterday or this morning, it faulted again, and then they could not. Yesterday, it faulted again. They tried resetting it. They tried turning it on and off, and it's still not working. They don't know what's wrong, so they want me to come figure it out. So we'll head over there, see if we can figure it out, and yeah, see what happens. All right, see you there. Failed stop on well 2. That looks all right. Okay, we'll try reset the fault. All right, we'll try run it in hand. Oh, that's not good. Okay, there's not power somewhere in the control circuits, because there should be a contactor suck in when you put it in hand. How did you get in there, buddy? Geckos. Hey, geckos. How did you get in there? Get out of here. Nope, get out. Get it. There you go. Oh, and your friend too? How did you get in here? These are all duct sealed. What the heck? Looks pretty haggard. How did he get in there? Anyhow. Okay. What about in here? I think this is where the power for this motor contactor is coming from. Yeah. Power on the primary. Power on the secondary. Oh. Control fuse right there. So we got 120 coming out of the transformer. Then on the secondary side of the fuse, it's popped. Okay, so what popped that fuse? What do we have to earth on him? Are we dead shorted anywhere? No? Okay, well, let's shut off his power. Are you safe to touch now? Are you safe to touch? Yes, safe to touch. Him out. Put him in continuity. Test him. Nothing. 2 amp. It's got to be 600 rated. Here's a nice box of spares. Fuse is good. Pop him in. Close those fuses. See if we popped them. We got 130 there, 120 essentially, and 120 there. Perfect. So we should be able to put it in hand. And this time, we should hear a nice satisfying thud. Reset. There it goes. So that's what was missing. The 120 volt control power that runs through our logic and that control panel comes back to this motor contactor. And without that 120, that contactor will never suck in. All right. See you on the next one.